Okay, so I have the shifter repositioned, the one that I'm putting in, and I'm going to show you on the old one. Right here is one of the electrical connections. They're on the right hand side of the shifter. So there's two of them. And then over on the left hand side, we have to turn it around, is where you'll find where the two cables connect. And you'll have to use a pair of pliers or something to, when you release the upper cable, it's this little portion right here. You have to squeeze that together to get the cable to come off of it. Now the other one's not very difficult. You can actually access it. It's right here. The eye just comes off of it sideways, and of course at the bottom the big piece just slides in and snaps. So we got the other shifter in now, and now what next I'm going to have to show is where those screws are on the little cover that covers it all. Okay, so the location of the right screw is right in this, right here. And the location of the left screw is right there. This will be the cigarette lighter plug in. Okay, now the one that's down below is very difficult to see because it's right under. I'm not sure that I can get the light, but I did show it in the other video. It's right up in this area, right at the top of on the right side, where that little glasses holder or whatever you want to call it, cubby hole mounts, right here. So when you get those three screws in, that's all that holds this cover in, and that's how you get it out, those three screws. Okay, at this point you have to remember to plug in your cigarette lighter plug, and then this panel will be able to slide right back in place, and it will pop. When you put it in place, it has snap clips that hold it. Of course, you have one screw in the middle that's going to need, right there, it's going to need the other screw put in it before you put the knob back on. That's about all there is to it. It's not really that difficult to do if you know where the screws are. So that's why I made the video. I could not find a video on this particular model, and there you have it. This other piece will snap right back in also. So that's it. I hope it helps. I'm sorry about the poor quality. I can't stabilize the camera because I'm filming and doing it at the same time, but I could not find a video on the 07, and there you have it. That should enable you to be able to do it. Thanks, and have a blessed day.